Omar was born a year ago in a small African village. He was born at the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic when lockdowns were restraining movements. Amira, his mother, had to give birth at home, but everything went well and Omar is a healthy little boy. The family would soon grow once more. Baby Priscilla was born a year after Omar. Despite the ongoing pandemic, Priscilla's delivery took place in a health center. Due to lockdowns and reduced access to essential services, including birth registration, Priscilla could have become an invisible child. But the health center managed to adapt to the pandemic. Solid prevention measures made it a safe space, but it had more surprises up its sleeve. A few weeks later, the proud parents took Priscilla and Omar back to the health center for their routine immunization. Kamaria, a kind health worker, checked the children's vaccination certificates and realized they were not registered at birth. The parents explained that they wanted to register their children, but the civil registration service was 20 kilometers from their village and out of reach for them during the pandemic. But now, even without knowing, they came to the right place. Thanks to partner mobilization, the pandemic can be a catalyst to accelerate birth registration in African countries by decentralizing these services. Like thousands of other health workers, Kamaria has been trained to detect unregistered children and notify the civil registry. Civil registration is an essential service that must be accessible for every child in Africa. With Kamaria's help, Omar and Priscilla can be registered while taking their vaccine directly at the health center. No fees required. After a short time, the family can pick up the certificates, giving Omar and Priscilla a bright, healthy future. This should be the story of every child in Africa. Birth registration must be made accessible through health and education services. It must be simple, free, digitized, and decentralized at the local level. The No Name campaign launched by the African Union and UNICEF in Africa in the storm of the COVID-19 intends to change the face of civil registration and to end the indignity of invisibility, leaving no child behind.